Welcome to our channel. Today we will be exploring the frequently asked questions about Kaierda welding machines. Firstly, are Kaierda welding machines suitable for small-scale businesses? Yes, Kaierda offers a range of machines designed for both small-scale and large-scale operations, ensuring flexibility for businesses of all sizes. Secondly, can Kaierda machines run on generators? Absolutely. Kaierda machines are compatible with generators, making them ideal for areas with inconsistent power supply. Thirdly, where can I find spare parts for Kaierda machines in Nigeria? Spare parts are readily available through Kaierda's authorized distributors and service centers across Nigeria. Fourthly, what types of welding can Kaierda machines handle? Kaierda machines support various welding techniques, including MIG, TIG, and arc welding, catering to diverse industrial needs. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drops. For more information on frequently asked questions about Kaierda welding machines, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.